Hello everyone, welcome to our Mumbaikar Adivasi vlogs. Today we are in the middle of the beautiful RF forest. In today's video, we are going to show you something special. A wild vegetable straight from the jungle and locally known as Ran Bhaji. So guys, we will share some interesting fact about these vegetables. We will show you how it looks, how it tastes and how to identify it in the wild. So guys, stay with us and let's begin this exciting journey into the nature. So guys, let's go and we will show you the vegetables. And we have Aniket.
Hello guys.
We both are going to show you the vegetables and it is going to be really interesting. So guys, let's go. So guys, see, this is the nature and how much greenery we have in the RA. Aniket is there guys and he is going to show us what is our first Ran Bhaji.
This is our first Ran Bhaji. Taro leaves.
Okay, so this is taro leaves.
Locally known as Aluchi Panan. Large, heart shape and smooth texture. All part of this Ran Bhaji is eatable.
We will get this vegetable only in monsoon season, correct?
Yeah.
And if we have to make this vegetable, maybe we have to use tamarind, jaggery or something like that, coconut maybe.
Yeah.
So actually it is itchy, yeah.
If you eat, your throat will get hurt.
Yeah, so we have to make it with kokum. We can put kokum as well.
Yeah.
So if we don't put it, then we will get our throat itchy. And that might be dangerous guys.
Yeah.
So be careful while making these vegetables. Yeah, we have lots of taro leaves here and there.
Yeah, there also.
Yes guys, you can see the quantity. So if you come in RA, you can also try this vegetable and definitely if you make it beautifully, you are going to enjoy it.
Yeah, especially the Aluchi Vade. So guys, this was our first Ran Bhaji and let's go for the second one.
So guys, we are going to show you the second Ran Bhaji. Here it is. Okay. You have just pluck it.
Yeah, our second Ran Bhaji is Kurdu.
Okay, this is Kurdu. Yeah, you can see that how it looks, na?
In Hindi, we called Lal Murga or White Murga.
Yeah, because of these guys, you can see easily the difference. There is one red, it means a little bit pinkish, and the white one. So because of this, in India, we can say white, what is that called?
White Murga.
White murga and lal murga. So you can see guys, this is the leafy vegetables and Aniket, how it tastes?
It's very delicious.
Does it have any bitterness or that that?
It's slightly bitterness.
Okay, slightly bitter. Yeah. So yeah, how we can eat this? Means
we can eat with
chapati. Yeah.
And bhakri.
So Aniket, did you try this vegetable?
Yeah, it's very delicious to eat. I eat this vegetable often. Some people say to improve our memory, but Sagar, I forgot my umbrella today.
Oh my God, Aniket, you are eating this vegetable often and still you forget the umbrella. Yeah. Oh my God.
What can I say?
Yeah. Actually, you said that it improves our memories. So I also want to take this a sack of Kurdu Ran Bhaji at home, and I'm going to eat it the whole month. And I will become the smartest person of the world.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Yeah, you should also try it. You should also take one sack.
Yes.
Okay?
Absolutely. I will try it.
Yeah, we should try it and we should give it to our fucking friends as well.
Yeah. What's our next Ran Bhaji?
This is our third wild vegetable.
Yeah.
You can see it is also a green leafy vegetables, but it has a big leaves, and it doesn't have any common English name.
Okay.
But local people say that Dina, Dinda. It has many different names and they make us confused. So
Sagar, which part is edible of this Ran Bhaji?
Yeah, there is a catch.
Okay.
People will think that it is also a green leafy vegetable, so we will eat the leaf. But here they are making mistake.
Yeah.
Because we only eat these stems. We only make the vegetables with stems.
Okay.
We do not use the
Leaves. Okay.
And if I tell you the taste of this, it is sar.
Sar. Okay.
Yeah, it is famous in Adivasi and rural Maharashtrian kitchen. So Aniket, where is our fourth Ran Bhaji?
Oh, Ran Bhaji. Here it is, Sagar.
Oh my god, I was going there, but it is in my hair. Actually, I am amazed. Like this much quantity. You can see the quantity, Aniket.
Quantity is very
But
large.
what is this called?
It's called takla.
Okay.
Takla, not a bold man.
Yeah. People will think that it is a takla.
Yeah.
Yeah. But guys, this is takla, not a takla like your uncle with no hair. It is also a green leafy vegetable, na, Aniket?
Yeah. It's green
Yeah.
leafy, healthy, nutritious.
It is a greenish, like a spinach.
Yeah.
This is really famous in tribal area, and lot of tribal peoples do eat these vegetables with full of love. This is not a less than 5-star hotel food.
Yeah.
If you eat this, you will be amazed with taste. It is slightly bitter in taste, but at the end, the results will be amazing, and the moment of enjoyment, you will get all of it here.
How to cook this vegetable, Sagar? Can you tell me?
Yeah, you can easily cook it
Okay.
with garlic,
Okay.
ginger,
And
and onions.
yeah.
And just simple. It is a really
Yeah, it's simple
and you can
recipe.
eat- Yeah.
And
Actually, you know the best combination to have it:
what? Can you tell me?
rice, dal, and with this vegetable.
Oh, that's good,
You will
Sagar.
get amazing feeling.
Yeah, yeah.
This will be a beautiful and amazing dish in your life. You
Okay.
should try it. And
Yeah, yeah.
And look, Kudu is there.
Kurdu is here.
He's behind me.
Yeah, yeah.
He's hiding.
They are brothers.
Yeah, they are.
Kurdu and Takla is brothers.
We have seen our fourth
Fourth.
takla vegetable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is also a good vegetable. You should also try it, and it is really famous. If you are living in Mumbai, definitely you will get this vegetable in the local market, and you can see the bunch of it, and the price of this also very cheap. So definitely you should try it, and it has also many health benefits also. So definitely when you will try, you can share our feelings and the taste in our comment section.
So, Sagar, what's our next Ran Bhaji?
So guys, here we are, and we are going to show you our fifth wild vegetable. It is called velambada.
Velambada.
We locally known as velambada. We
Okay.
don't know the proper English word for this particular vegetables, but you can see that. But you can see the leaves.
Yeah.
You can see the leaves. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bye.
5 leaves, and look how it looks. It looks amazing. Let's see the color and all. You know, we can eat these leaves directly.
Okay.
I will show you. See, this is a newly born leaves, and we have to use this one also for our cooking and all. And I'm going to show you how it tastes. Do I look like a goat?
कौन सा दातुन वापरता है तू बाबू भैया ये हमारा ये पुरानी पेटी का ताला खुल नहीं रहा है
You know, taste is amazing, but I don't like sour taste. You will get it, these vegetables, in everywhere in the forest, like other vegetable we get.
Okay.
And if I tell you the taste, it is slightly sour, as I
Sour.
told you.
Okay.
And most of the tribal people use this vegetable in the
Fish curry.
fish curry, for removing the fishy
Fishiness.
smell
Yeah,
of the fish.
Yeah.
So guys, this was our last
Ran Bhaji.
Ran Bhaji, wild vegetables, and we have shown you the all 5 of it. And
Like our hands. So guys, this is our first video. We know we might made a few mistakes here and there. Let us know in the comment section.
yeah, if you find it those mistakes, you can show in the comment section. And if you like this video, you can show your love by pressing like button, sharing with your friends, and subscribing our channel. Stay connected with us and enjoy the journey with us. Thank you guys.